Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn African literature, voices of a continent together, step by step. Long before the printing press, African stories lived in the voice. A griot, the West African storyteller-historian, could recite a community's whole history from memory. Proverbs squeeze deep wisdom into a single line, and devices like repetition and call and response help both speaker and listener remember. When you read African literature, listen for that spoken music humming beneath the words on the page. Much modern African writing is post-colonial. It responds to the long shadow of colonial rule. These authors reclaim their own stories, often weaving local languages and customs back into the page. A central tension is tradition meeting forced change, with identity, land, and memory at the heart. Reading these works, you witness writers turning the colonizers' language into a tool for telling their own truth. Take this proverb. Until the lion tells his tale, the hunt always glorifies the hunter. On the surface, it's animals and hunting, but its real meaning is about power and perspective. Whoever tells the story controls how it's remembered. African literature gives voice to the lion at last. Unpacking a proverb's literal picture and then its deeper lesson is a key reading skill here. Imagine a village elder who honors the ancestors, ways, and a young relative returning with new ideas from the city. Their clash isn't just family drama. It dramatizes a whole culture deciding what to keep and what to change. African novels often stage this exact tension. When you spot tradition meeting modernity, you found the beating heart of the story's conflict. 4 keys unlock this rich literature. 1. Hear the oral tradition and the griot's voice in the prose. 2. Mine every proverb for its deeper meaning. 3. Read post-colonial themes of identity, land, and reclaiming one's story. 4. Watch how tradition and change collide. Carry these, and the voices of a whole continent will speak to you with full force. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.